All right, you tech-savvy furballs. Sit down and listen up. It's your favorite feline, Red, here to blow your tiny minds with some hardcore generative AI knowledge. Yeah, we're diving into the deep end of the AI pool, so strap in and try not to drool on yourselves. Okay, listen up. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like having a bunch of mini-Reds running around, doing all the smart stuff for you. Generative AI, though, that's like having a Red that can create new stuff out of thin air. We're talking stories, art, music, you name it. It's like magic, but, actually cool. To wrap your little brains around where generative AI fits into the grand scheme of things, here's a breakdown. You got AI, which is like the big, overarching brain of the operation. Then, inside that brain, you got a subset called machine learning, or ML for short. Dig deeper, and you find this bad type called generative AI. Okay, now follow along. Generative AI has its own subset called large language models, or LLMs, and sitting at the throne of LLMs is the mighty GPT-4. Got it? Good. Try not to forget it. Let's break it down for the simpletons. Generative AI uses machines called generative adversarial networks, or GANs, and transformer models like GPT-4. If you don't know what those are, congratulations. But don't worry, I'm here to inject some knowledge directly into your brain. GANs, two parts. Generator makes stuff, discriminator checks if the stuff is any good. It's like a back and forth game where they keep getting better until you can't tell the difference between AI and human-created content. Pretty neat, huh? Let's show you how GPT-4 works. Watch as I make it spin a tale about a frickin' cat that turns into a superhero, because apparently that's what entertains you people. In a few seconds, bam, we got a whole story about Whiskers the cat with superpowers. It's like having a team of writers in your pocket, minus the whining about deadlines. But wait, there's more. Generative AI isn't just about text. We got MidJourney for your visual needs. Want to see what a flying castle looks like? Type it in, and this bad boy creates it just for you. MidJourney takes your lame description and turns it into kick-ass artwork. Artists and designers, eat your hearts out. Now, how does all this wizardry work? Simple, you dummies. It's about big data and pattern recognition. The more data you feed these models, text, images, whatever, the smarter and more creative they get. They're basically learning machines on steroids. So, what's the point of all this? How can you use it? Well, for starters, creative industries. Writers, artists, and musicians are using AI to come up with new ideas. AI's like their lazy but genius assistant. Business. Marketers churning out ad copy and visuals without breaking a sweat. Less human error, more profit. Gaming. Developers creating epic game worlds and characters without crying into their keyboards. Education. AI tutors making personalized learning plans. Finally, a teacher that doesn't suck. Generative AI is here, and it's kicking ass and taking names. If you want more brain-melting tech knowledge, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the frickin' bell. Got questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments, and I might just grace you with an answer. Until next time, keep those brain cells firing and don't do anything stupid. Later, nerds. Stay smart, or at least try not to get dumber. By the way, what the heck is this channel called? Malevolent Cat? Seriously? Can anyone even pronounce that? Red Malevolent Cat? Is that referring to me? Whoever came up with that should be fired immediately.